Hi everyone, this is Romy with Villa Lux, and today I'm here to show you our latest listing, which is this 4-bedroom villa located in the urbanization Balcon al Mar. So Balcon al Mar is at about a 10-minute drive from the Javea Arenal, where you can find the sandy beach, the bars and restaurants. But you don't have to go to the Arenal if you don't want, because you have restaurants and shops up here as well. So the area is very known for the calas you can find here. The calas actually is what Javea is known for, and some are even considered to be some of the most beautiful of all of Spain. So this particular property, as you can see, has a nice large driveway, a double garage, and I will show you now what the inside looks like. So when you enter the property, you see right away these nice Tosca stone arches. So Tosca stone is a material locally sourced here from Javea, and it's used in quite some properties around here. It looks very nice. So here on my left side, you see the 2 open doors leading you out to the pool terrace, which I will get to a bit later. So here we have the kitchen. The kitchen is a really nice, beautiful kitchen. It's cozy, it has everything you need, all sorts of appliances. But if you feel like you would need a bit more of counter space, there's various ways in this property where you can open the space up and create a kitchen that might be almost double this size. So when we exit the kitchen, we lead out to the living room. So the living room, again, it's a really nice and open space. You have the fireplace, which is perfect for the winter months. And here we have the dining room. So what I really like about this space is that it's really bright, a lot of natural light comes in, and you have these doors leading you up to the terrace on the front of the house, where you can enjoy, sit in the sun and have your breakfast. So this property is located all on one level. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, which I will show you right now. Out of the 4 bedrooms, 2 of them come with their own ensuite bathroom. But there's one room I would really like to highlight, which is the master bedroom, which of course also comes with its own ensuite. And the reason I would like to highlight this room is because of the amount of space. I mean, look at how spacious it is. There's a nicely double bed that easily fits in here, wardrobe space as well. And some feature that I would really like to point out, at least in my opinion, I think is really special, is the view you have from this window. You have the palm trees literally next to your bed, so when you wake up, you know you're in Spain. And another thing that's really great about this room is that it has direct access to the pool terrace. Talking about the pool terrace, I think we should go check it out. So here we are at the pool terrace. This terrace is very private and it's completely south-facing, which makes it possible to enjoy this terrace and the Spanish sun in the cooler winter months as well. So here we have a large pool, it's 10 by 5 meters, and we have a covered naya. And this naya has a lot of possibilities, and it could possibly be turned into an outside kitchen or anything you want really. Over here we have a barbecue area, and we have some separate seating areas, really giving you the chance to enjoy this terrace to the full potential. There's one last thing I would like to show you of this property, which is the solarium upstairs. So why don't we go and have a look? So the solarium offers great views of the surrounding trees and plants in this garden. I have to say right now it is really warm here, but in the solarium we have a nice breeze. What is a bit of a shame is that a lot of people around here don't really use these spaces up to their full potential. But I mean, imagine a few nice pots here with plants and a nice jacuzzi. I mean, I think you could turn it into an amazing space. So I would like to close this tour off right here. I mean, I don't think there's a better place to do it. If you like this property, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. And also, if you're thinking about selling your own, I will put the contact details down below, and see you next time.